Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your purchase power on Klarna. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to launch the Klarna application and tap the In-Store tab located at the bottom of the screen. Next, browse the list of available retailers and select any store you like. Since you're only checking your limit, it doesn't matter which retailer you choose. After opening a store, tap Create Digital Card to generate a virtual card. The card will be created within a few seconds and you'll be taken to the payment amount screen. Now, you can enter a value that's higher than what you think your limit might be, such as 2,000 or 5,000. If the amount is above your available purchase power, Klarna will display an error message showing the highest amount you can use. For example, if the message says your maximum is $1,000, that means you won't be able to enter an amount above 1,000. Using a larger number is an easy way to reveal your current spending limit without making a purchase. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.